precedence, operator precedence. Like if we have an example in which alert and 10 plus 3 times 2 minus 1, like this complex equation. So how you can solve this equation? For this equation we have a method. We have to follow a rule in which we given a brackets, more precedence, then tau, then multiply or divide. So multiply or divide, and add or subtract. So we have to follow these notations. So if we are following this notation, so more than multiply or more than addition or subtraction, we have greater precedence order. So we'll say precedence order, and this is my precedence order, and let me put this into a comment. Okay, so this is precedence order, and in this case if we have multiply or divide, that has more precedence than subtraction. So we do 3 into 2, and that is 6. So we got 10 plus 6 minus 1, so we got 16 minus 1, and that is 15 in our answer. So check it, we got 15, and testing it, so we got our 15 in our output. And let's check it by doing some. Okay, so now we are talking about our next example in this, one more example for operator precedence, and that is like we have an alert statement in this case again, and like this equation, like 10 plus 3 times 2, and putting this bracket, and in which we say 3 plus 4. So what will be the output in this case? More the precedence to this bracket, so we got 3 plus 4, that is 7 multiplying with this 2, we got 14, and when 14 is multiply with 3, so 14 3 is 42, and when this multiply with addition of this 10, so 42 plus 10, and that is 52. And let's just test it what we got on our output. So this will don't give me anything, and let's check it why. So it says function expected, so that means the error. JavaScript doesn't show me any error. That is the reason for understanding this language is difficult. So what is the reason why we don't get anything? Because after this 2 we don't put any operations. Well, in the real world this means 2 into 3 times 4, but in JavaScript we have to each time do in operation. So we'll say this multiply operation, and now our everything code is perfect. So now run. So we got 52 in our output. So this is how the operator and the arithmetic operations are working in JavaScript. Okay, so in the next part of the video we will talking about increment and decrement operator and the assignment operator in JavaScript. So thank you. Okay, so now we will see actually how you can get these arithmetic operations using prompt method. So we'll say x equal prompt and write any number. Okay, write any number 1. Okay, and similarly we do is again this statement and write any number 2. Okay, and now we'll say z equal x plus y, and then we say alert addition of 2 numbers is, and then do plus my this z. So saving with Control S and running our HTML file. So now it says write any number. So we will type this 12, and then we type 23, and okay, and as you can see we got addition of 2 numbers is 1 2 2 3. Why we got this? As we see the reason of this in our last tutorial in string parts. So now converting this, so we got this string, x and y is a string in this case, so we need to convert this into our parse int. So we say x equal parse int of this x, similarly y is equal to parse int of this y, and just saving now and now running our HTML file. So we say write any number, we write 13, and now write any number, we type 13, 23. So addition of two numbers is 36. So this is how actually we can use prompt method again to finding the assignment operations. So in the next part of the video we will talking about assignment operators in Java.
In the next video we will talk about the assignment operators in JavaScript. So thanks for watching this tutorial. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Click on the bell notification icon for getting new videos, new notification regarding new videos. If there is any advices and any helps or any problems regarding any concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Write down a comment, I will reply to you. Okay, if you have any problems or any advice regarding my channel and some concepts, so feel free to ask me in Twitter or join my website for understanding the codes. Thanks for watching.